Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, in this video, I will discuss about how to fix touch screen not working. So guys, fix this problem. I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Uh, Press the bell icon for more latest video. So fix this problem. How can I fix touch screen is not working on your iPhone? So guys, let's start the video. Fix this problem. So first of all, you have restart your iPhone. Volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button when you see appears Apple logo screen on your iPhone. When your mobile is restart, and then your problem will be fixed. If there are first solution is not working, there other solution you have must be the dirty screen is not working. You have cleaned the screen and uh, touch screen working on your iPhone. So then other solution, there's water damage. So was iPhone you are recently exposed to water or any other liquid? If yes, then your screen may be unresponsive due to water damage. Your iPhone may be water resistant, so but that does not mean it is waterproof. So guys, and then your problem if 100% working, if there your iPhone is too hot or cold, then your uh, screen is 100% working, and then your problem will be fixed. If there other solution, you have connect to cable charge. So cable accessories, your iPhone is connected, you will first of all disconnect the cable accessories on your iPhone. So then your problem will be fixed. If any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. So see you in the next video.